Hello there, and welcome back to the Household of Faith house plants. And today I'm going to be propagating these two um, spider plants. They're on the, um, there are multiple plants in each one. And I'm downsizing, so I'm going to be um, getting at least 4 plants extras out of these two that are here. I need to dig them out, separate them, and then pot them up. So stay with me as I do this. Uh, Spider plants don't need anything special. Um, it's not complicated to do. This one here is flopping over, and I really won't know everything until I get into the soil. So stick with me. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm taking the plants out of the little orange pot. There's 3 and 2 and, oh, out of camera, 2 more from this one here. So there were 7 plants in one pot. Now I made 3. I'm only going to keep one of these for myself, and that's going to be probably this one here, because it's got 2 nice looking little plants. This one has 2 and this one has 3. So I'm only going to keep 2 of them, and it's only because, well, what if one doesn't live? Right. That's the old adage. And I'm starting on the bigger plant that was in this pot here. That's this here. So here's some dirt that fell out. Yeah, no matter what size surface I am working with, I always spill something. But gardening is dirty work. So this got a lot more plants in it. I don't know how many, but I'm gonna use this old pot and this one for sure. And we'll see. Oh yeah, some more of the little red cups. So we'll be back. Alrighty then, I am done with the transplanting of the spider plants. This one, oops, leaf caught. From the taller one, this and this one, and oops, I'm just trying my best to knock this camera over. And this one, 1, 2, 3, back there in the back, 4. So these 3, let me move this one. Those 3 are, I'm going to swap out, I think. Yeah, because I'm not keeping any of these. So these 3 are swaps. And I'm going to keep this particular plant here because of how it's growing and how, see those big bulbous roots? I think these will work in water. So far, I have not gotten a spider plant to survive in water. One did for months. It was the first one, and now nothing. So I'm going to keep this one for myself, and I'm going to keep one of the other ones as well. And I think it was this one. I think it was this one here. And the other 3 potted up plants, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, and they all have like 2 or 3 in them. So all of these here, I'm gonna turn the camera. All of these here are for a swap. So trying to reduce the amount, and I'm technically only going to cut it down by 1, but smaller, and yeah, that way I can cut down on the house plants because I need room in the room for the plants I need to bring back inside for the fall. So that's all for today. There was no special propagation or anything like that for the spiders, just taking them apart, replanting them with someone else. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining me, and God bless you, and have a great and wonderful day. Okay? I had to check and make sure it was still on. Bye bye.